All right, we're recording the sewer line here today at 3859 33rd Ave Southwest. Dates December 21st, 2020. Making this recording of the post-sewer repair work done by Bob Oates. So here you see a new chunk of plastic pipe from an excavation to expose the kitchen line. We're going upstream the sewer line right now. Upstream back towards the where the main stack exits the house. So we're going up the opposite direction of the sewage right now. You're going to see that this liner that we installed lips right into the plastic that comes out from the clean out and where the main sewer stack comes out of the house. So there's where the main sewage comes out. Above you is that clean out there, and then into this liner we installed to replace or restore this concrete section of pipe. Now we're going to go downstream from our kitchen hole. Down into the plastic repair, into another section of liner, into a second plastic set repair that we installed. Then going into where that's the downspout off of the front of the house. That's why that's running like that, is because we got a good rainstorm going here. And then we're going down towards the common line shared area with the neighbors. So liner down and lift right into the plastic just like we were looking to do into this common line shared with the neighboring houses. So there's the end of the video. You can see all of the repair work Bob Oates has done. And I'm going to end the recording there.